Today's Anishinaabe one word of the day is Kete'anishinaabe. Kete'anishinaabe means the old time Anishinaabe. I'm not going to go into the word Anishinaabe right now because it's quite a handful to unpack that one, but it is the way that we refer to ourselves, the Anishinaabe people. So Kete, that little prefix there, it means ancient or old time. So Kete'anishinaabe means the ancient ones, the old time Indians. And you hear it a lot at sweat lodges and ceremonies when they're talking about not our immediate ancestors or even, the grandpas and grandmas that we remember, but the ones long ago, way, way long time ago, hundreds, thousands of years ago. Those first Anishinaabe who first built the sweat lodge and first created the Medewin and first went to the Sundance and first, picked up the peace pipe. So the Kete'anishinaabe are the founders of our worldview.